Let's look at the controls on the outside of the FDC. You can see that we have a pressure meter here, and we will get a digital readout here of our differential pressure of the filters. We'll have that in digital readout here, and then we'll get a graphical readout here as well. There are 3 ways that we can pulse with the FDC panel. The first that I'd like to talk about is continuous. Continuous means that every 10 seconds the dust collector is going to pulse, or whatever set point you have it at, 10 seconds, 15 seconds, every 60 seconds. Just depends on your application. Second feature is clean at high pressure. And what clean at high pressure means is dust comes into the dust collector and the differential pressure of the dust collector will begin to grow. As that dust cake builds, it'll build to a high point, and the dust collector controller will engage the pulse system in order to clean those filters, bringing it back down to the low point. Once it hits the low point, it stops. Okay, and that conserves the compressed air for us. And we all know that compressed air is expensive. So in order to make those adjustments here, we've got some up and down arrows and a set button here that we'll press to get that engaged. Press and hold for about 2 seconds, and that's going to engage the alarm button here. The alarm is set at 6, and that's really an engineered number there. Most dust collectors, dust collection systems are made to change the filters out at 6 inches of pressure. If you run it higher than that, you could end up losing some smoke, dust, fume, whatever it is, at the pickup point. So we're going to want to change the filters once our dust collection system won't pass down past 6 anymore. We're going to leave that there. After 90 seconds, that will turn itself off and go back to run mode. The first set point is the low point. This is set on the factory setting low point of 1.5. Press and hold, there we go. Then it goes to the high point. I'm going to reduce that down to 2. Again, the factory setting. The next setting that comes out is the units of measure. It's currently in inches of water. If you wanted to be in metric or pascals, you could make that change there. We're going to leave it in inches. If you wanted to set a password, again, use the up and down arrows to set a password. You can make it 1, or you can go that way, 255, whatever you so choose. And then we're back into run mode, so we'd be monitoring the pressure drop across the filters once again. The final way that I'd like to talk to you, tell you about to clean the filters is what I call manual downtime. Let's say we turn the fan off, the blower off, so we're no longer bringing dust from the pickup point. Put this into continuous cleaning again, and if you have it set at 10 seconds, 15 seconds, I would just let it go through a round of pulsing without the fan drawing dust into the dust collector. This will ensure that the filters are as clean as possible. I'd do maybe 2 or 3 rounds, and then just turn that off. Thank you for your interest in Camfil APC products. If you have any further questions about the FDC, feel free to go to our website at camfilapc.com.